Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to power off your Vivo Y200 4G. Now, to power off your Vivo Y200 4G, just press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Just like that. Now, as you can see, the power menu has appeared on your screen. Now from here, you can tap on restart to restart your smartphone, or you can tap on power off and it will power off your smartphone. Now to turn on your smartphone, just press and hold the power button. Now it will take a few seconds for your smartphone to power on. Now as you can see, our smartphone has turned on. Now, if you want to set long press the power button to power off your smartphone, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on shortcuts and accessibility. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on power button. Now from here, just select launch power menu instead of launch Google Assistant. Now from here, if you press and hold on the power button, it will launch the power menu. Now from here, you can restart or power off your smartphone. And this is how you can power off your Vivo Y200 4G. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.